Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this issue to discuss the budgeting purpose of direct cost analysis and a method to determine the direct cost. The direct cost, also known as project overhead cost, is the net price of material, labor and plant the main contractor uses in the project and includes MEP services and subcontractor costs. Direct cost analysis involves evaluating and monitoring project expenses and identify cost-saving areas. Estimating direct cost is crucial for project budgeting. To determine the direct cost, an evaluation of the project Bill of Quantities is required. The Bill of Quantities is the document usually prepared by the Quantity Surveyor. It is a list of all the components required to be carried out by the main contractor to complete the project in line items. The line items in the Bill of Quantities are the construction activities defined under separate divisions as Preliminaries, Earthworks, Substructure, Superstructure and External works. Preliminaries. Typically, the items are under the obligations of the contractor to fulfill under the contract but shall not be included in the individual works such as scaffolding, plant, water, power and telephone for site work and other site overheads. The preliminaries also summarize the contractual terms and services to be provided by the contractor such as obtaining statutory permits, insurance, performance bonds, contractor superintendence and other contractual obligations and liabilities. Generally, preliminaries items are actual costs incurred by the contractor and do not include overhead and profit. Earthworks. Earthwork is a significant element of all civil engineering projects. Typically, earthwork includes leveling and compacting, cut and filling to make up levels, excavation, backfilling and filling under floors. Substructure. The substructure of the building is the bottommost part of the structure and lies beneath the ground. It transfers the load of the building and isolates it horizontally from the ground. It safeguards the building against the forces of wind, flood, uplift and soil pressure. The substructure works consist of piles, foundations, rafts, ground beams and retaining walls, depending on the condition of the soil and the design of the building. Superstructure. The superstructure is the supermost portion of the building. It starts from the ground floor to the top of the building. The superstructure works consist of columns, beams, slabs, walls, doors and windows and roofs. These components must be completed together with finishes, waterproofing, painting and services to make a complete structure. All these definitions are for your information. Now let's go for the definition of external works, the last line item for taking into consideration for preparing direct cost. External works. The term external works describes any works carried out in the external environment of a building project. The project requires external works to secure functionality and enhance the final product. The works consist of excavation, drainage and sewerage, water, power and telephone, boundary walls, gates, access roads, landscaping and ancillary buildings. Direct cost analysis schedule. A sample direct cost analysis schedule is introduced herewith to identify the total product cost. This example is a villa compound which includes one single-story villa with external ancillary buildings of one driver quarter, one water tank and storage room, boundary wall and associated external works to the limits as shown in the tender drawings. Direct cost is the foundation of the project budget and allows us to allocate resources effectively and plan for expenses accurately. The description column of the chart lists the BOQ items as they are, which includes material, labor and equipment and respective overheads and profit. The next column shows the profit and overhead margin against each of the BOQ items. The amount shown in the direct cost column is the relevant BOQ amount without the overhead and profit percentage margin. Example, item number 1, description, Earthworks, which includes material, labor and equipment plus overhead and profit percentage margin of 20% equals 167,080 Qatar riyals. Therefore, the direct cost of the same item Earthworks equals 167,80,000 divided by 1.2 is equal to 139,233.33 Qatar riyal. The amount of overhead and profit equals 167,080 minus 139,233.33 equals 27,846.67 Qatar riyals. The final amount of tender value equals 5,150,537.50 Qatar riyals. The final amount of direct cost equals 4,349,881.85 Qatar riyal. Therefore, the final amount of overhead and profit equals 5,150,537.50 minus 4,349,881,000.85 equals 800,665.65 Qatar riyal. The final overhead and profit percentage margin equals 865.65 divided by 4,348,881,000.85 multiplied by 100 equals 18.41%. Therefore, the final tender amount shall be 5,150,537.50 plus 1,418,890, that is preliminaries, equals 6,569,427.50 Qatar riyal without any discount offered. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion based on the offering final discount to secure the tender and other schedules and more on the other upcoming videos. I would be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field's necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something in this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to notify my upcoming videos and share with others too.